Hey, what's up guys, my name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you how to disable, how to turn on or off the notifications on Instagram for someone you follow. Maybe you want to disable the notifications for their post or their story. Well, you can do that very easily. So I'll just open first the Instagram app, and now I will have to reach my profile, and let's go to the following section. Here you can locate every person that you follow on Instagram, and from here you can turn off their notifications. So as an example, I will click on this Twitter because I follow Twitter as an example. Maybe this is the person you follow and you want to turn on or off the notifications from. So I'll press, you do see that button which says following. I'll press on this one. And now if we go to the mute section, I can mute the notifications from their posts, maybe their stories or their notes. Can you focus please? Yes, that's notes. I will mute that also. And now I just mute everything, and if I want to turn them off so I can see their notification, I will just have to disable. If you want to disable certain notifications, as an example for the stories, just mark this on, or maybe you want to disable notifications from their post, just mark the first one, and that's it. So reach their profile, then following, mute, and just select what exactly you want to mute from them or all of them. So that was the tutorial guys, how to disable or turn on certain notifications from someone you follow on Instagram. I really hope I was being useful with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave any questions down below under this video if you have any. Please have a great day.